Hello, and thank you for checking out Illinois Mutual's Digital Toolbox. Illinois Mutual's Agent Portal is a phenomenal tool designed with our agents' needs in mind. Once registered on the Agent Portal, you will be able to run client illustrations, submit applications electronically, gain access to complimentary marketing materials, follow your cases through the underwriting process, and more. This quick video will show you how to get registered so you can begin taking advantage of the benefits today. For the registration process to be successful, Illinois Mutual must have your email address, social security number, and date of birth on file in our system. If you are unsure of your agent code number or the email address you have on file, please feel free to reach out to your sales team and we can assist you. In order to register for the site, go to www.illinoismutual.com. Once at Illinois Mutual site, click on Agent Resources. Now click Log in to the Agent Portal. The first time accessing this site, you will want to click on the Sign Up link. You will see a pop-up box here that will ask if you are an agent or policy owner. Select I am an agent. Enter the information on the screen and click Submit. The email address you enter must match what is on our system. Check your email for the confirmation from Illinois Mutual. To finish the registration process, click the link. Enter your agent code number. Create a unique username. This can be your email address or an alternate username. Then create a password. On the right, you will see a list of requirements for creating a secure password. If you have met all requirements, there will be a check mark next to each item in the list. Once all are checked, click the registration button. If your registration was successful, you will receive a message letting you know. Now log into the Agent Portal by entering your newly created username and password. You will need to accept 2 agreements your very first time entering the Agent Portal. You're now ready to begin managing your business with Illinois Mutual on our Agent Portal. We encourage you to reach out to your sales team to learn more today.